What are the contents of a naloxone or Narcan antidote kit for an opioid overdose? We have one right here, and when you unzip it, you can see a few things. These are the ampules that contain the actual drug itself. This is a barrier mask used for respiratory assist. These are sterile gloves. An alcohol wipe is behind there. And then we have our syringes. So the idea in this situation is the syringe is used to, with the needle attached, is to draw the fluid up from the ampule here and to inject it. That's the basic idea. Finally, there is a card here that gives instructions. The main things are to stimulate the person, try to wake them up. If they're not, then to protect their airway, give some rescue breaths, ventilate, and then to finally give the intramuscular injection. So to summarize, in the kit we have our ampules of the Narcan, we have the gloves, a rescue breath barrier device, we have the alcohol wipes, and both the needles and syringes.